How do you know if a heating system is running efficiently? ThermaFY app uses thermal data to identify sediment deposits in radiators and unbalanced systems, providing an efficiency report to enable proactive, informed decision-making.
With the support of Fife College, we have focused on the benefits of using ThermaFY's innovative new heating analysis software. By developing a new mobile-first online training package, it enables us to engage with engineers to help improve the energy performance of heating systems. Knowledge of the heating industry provided by Fife College gas lecturers has proven to be extremely beneficial. The data produced by our research collaboration has been passed on to students who, combined with practical lessons and use of the ThermaFY thermal analysis software, enables them to ensure that the heating systems that they are installing and maintaining are running at their optimum performance, helping to save their customers money and reducing their carbon emissions.